Hello guys, in this video we are going to discuss the solution of the problem rotate array. So let us look at the problem statement. The problem statement says given an unsorted array ARR, rotate the array to the left by d steps where d is a positive integer. Do the mentioned changes in the array in place. So for instance, if this is the array which is given to us and the value of d is equals to 2, then we have to rotate this array 2 times, and after rotating the array 2 times, the output array will look something like this. So that's about the problem statement, folks. Now let us discuss the solution of this problem. So the general idea behind solving this problem is, in order to rotate the array by d steps, all we have to do is first reverse the first d elements of the array, then reverse the remainder elements of the array, and then reverse the entire array. And if we do this, the array will get rotated by d steps. Now let us take an example to understand this. So let us say this is the array which is given to us and the value of d is equals to 2. Over here, in order to rotate the elements of the array, what we are going to do is, first we are going to reverse the first d elements of the array. After reversing the first d elements of the array will look something like this. And after doing so, what we are going to do is we are going to reverse the remainder elements of the array. So let us reverse the remainder elements and the array will look something like this. Once we have reversed the first d and the remainder elements of the array, the next stage is to reverse the entire array. And after reversing the entire array, the array will look something like this. And in this way, we will be able to rotate the array d times. So that's about the problem statement, folks. Now let us discuss the solution of this problem. So let us say we want to rotate the array and d is given to us. Folks, one minor thing before we start our algorithm, which is if the size of d is greater than the size of the array, then we have to bring d within the limits of array. And to do so, all we have to do is d equals to d modulo len of array. And in this way, we will be able to bring d within the length of array. Once we have done that, let us now perform the reverse operation. So first we would like to reverse the first d elements of the array, and after reversing the first d elements, we want to reverse the remainder elements of the array. So for that, d to len of array minus 1, and then we would like to reverse the entire array. So arr 0 to len of array minus 1, and in this way we will be able to rotate the entire array. Now let us look at the reverse function. So for reverse function, array and its starting and ending position is given to us. All we have to do is we just have to iterate while start is less than end. And in order to reverse an array, all we have to do is we have to swap the start and end element. So let us do that. Temp equals to arr start equals to arr end, and arr end equals to temp. And after doing so, we just have to increase and decrease our start and end pointer. So let us do that. Start plus equals to 1 and end minus equals to 1. And in this way, we will be able to reverse the array. So that's the pseudocode, folks. Now let us see how we have implemented this in Python and C++. So first, let us look at the Python implementation. Over here, d is equals to d modulo length of array, and then we are reversing the first d elements, then the remainder element, and then the entire array. And in the reverse array function, we are iterating on the array while start is less than end. We are swapping start and end element, and after that we are increasing and decreasing start and end pointer. So that's the Python implementation, folks. Now let us submit our solution. So our Python solution got accepted. Now let us look at the C++ implementation. So the C++ implementation is also the same, folks. D equals to d modulo arr dot size. After that, we have reversed the first d elements, then the remainder element, and then the entire array. And in the reverse function, we are iterating while start is less than end. We are swapping start and end element and increasing and decreasing start and end pointer. So that's the C++ implementation, folks. Now let us submit our solution. So our C++ implementation also got accepted. That is all from this video, folks. In case if you have any question or comment regarding this video, please feel free to use the comment section and I'll try to address them. Thank you.